Hey everyone, welcome back. If the CommBank app is not working on your phone, this guide will help you fix it. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if the app works properly. Next, you're going to go ahead and restart your phone to refresh system processes that may be causing the issue. Then, head over to your app store, search for the CommBank and then make sure that you have updated your app to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Also, make sure to check if your phone software is up to date or not, as outdated systems can cause banking apps to stop working. If the app still does not open, uninstall the CommBank app. Long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store and reinstall it from there and log in again, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.